let's show you how to replace the chains if you need after a period of using. Firstly, you need to take off the batteries and use the small wrench. Open the loose the screw. Okay, take it off. Take the cover. Okay, you will see the chains, the plate, the chain, and this is the motor. Put the finger to this plate and you see this side. Here is a screw. This is the tight adjustment screw, and use the screwdriver, loose this screw. Loose this screw, the chain will be able to take off. See? Okay, lose it again. Okay. Take the chain off now. And you use the new chain and put the chain to the plate. This step is very important. You need to Okay, this is very important. You notice here is the chain gear. Here is in the top is a big part, and in the bottom is a small part. Please make sure that these in these views, this big gear must be in the top, up, and the small gear must be down. So just like this, not this side, but this side. This side must be installed in this direction. Okay, make sure this is in this direction, and then adjust the screw again. Make it tight enough. With your hands you can feel this. Okay, you cannot move. Wow, it's too tight. Make it a small loose. Okay, and push the battery. Okay, push the safety button and switch.